What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sugar Glider. Yes, I'm a tiny marsupial. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right. Today we are doing something much more different than what my past two videos have been doing. It is a, drumroll please, science experiment. That is why there's all this, what you guys might for randomness. Props out to my science teacher. Without him, I would not have been able to teach you guys this wonderful, amazing science experiment. Some things you'll be needing: a mason jar, if you're just like me and don't want your hands burnt because mason jars do get very hot in the microwave. A cup or oven mitt. Today I'm just going to use a cup because I am lazy. Ice, tin foil, matches, and most importantly, parents' permission. That's right. We need parents' permission, especially if you're going to be playing with fire, because I ain't getting in trouble. No, I'm not. No, I am not. See? It's as easy as this. Mom! Mom! What do you want, Isabella? Stop screaming. May I please have permission to do this really cool science experiment my teacher taught me? I'm asking you because it involves matches. See? Matches. Can I please, pretty please? Well, because you are my lovely daughter and I love you oh so very much, why not? I love you, dear. I love you so much. You have fun with your science experiment. See, guys, it was as easy as that. By the way, that does not actually how my mom looks or talks whatsoever. Just, I had to be quick on my feet to think. So, yeah. Let's get on with this video. Step 1. Take your mason jar over to the sink and fill it up. Yeah. So, see, mason jar. Stretch your sink hose. Put it in. There you go. For starters, you might want to put it right on your counter so you don't make a huge mess. And then fill it up till you get to here. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, magic. Next step, if you are okay with getting your hands burnt, just throw it in the microwave. But if you aren't, oven mitts or glass. See? Transmitted water into glass. No, I lost some. I'll be back. I will be back. I was experiencing technical difficulties. Okay, so next step, you're going to walk on over to your microwave, or if you don't have one, you could just boil the water. I is kind of lazy. Oh, and also, I must ask you a question. Do you like the Reno Air Races? If you do live here, don't judge that mess. It is going on until this Saturday. Look it up if you don't live here. It's a really fun, exciting event. And yeah, Blue Angels came this year. That's really nice. And we're going to walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. Open the wonderful box of wonderness. And we're going to put the cup in. And then we're going to close it. And then we're going to set this for around a minute, 30 seconds start. And during this minute, 30 seconds, I must say, please excuse my rambling. Thank you. We shall take a slight break until water is done. Okay, I got bored. We're about 30 seconds into the mic. There's 30 seconds left on the microwaving process. And yeah, we shall be back once it is done. Yeah. And we're back. And as you may not be able to tell, water is piping hot. Steam is kind of like clear, see-through though. Also, glasses do still get hot, just a lot less hotter than Mr. Mason jar over here. So next step is to take Mr. Cup and pour all the water into Mason jar over here. And I shall be back. Nickelodeon. So your next step will be to take your matches and light them. If you are afraid of fire, don't worry. It's a normal thing. Just get a parent to do it for you. I can be scared, but today I'm just going to man up. I must say, this can be kind of a hard process, and you got to make sure your thing's dry, otherwise it won't work. I dropped my match. Okay, we're back. So, just take it. Hold it. Don't hold it way up close, otherwise you will get burned, so don't do that. But don't hold it way down here at the bottom, because then you drop it and light everything on fire. Hold it like in the middle, like right there. That's good. And then you light it, dump it, cover it with the tin foil, put ice on top, and wait about 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now you'll take your ice off. Oops. Then you'll take your tinfoil off. And this is either Cloud in a Jar project or 3 stages of the water cycle in a jar project. Now, the way it works is the water, the hot water, and the match just make the water super hot and raise up to the tinfoil and ice. Once it hits the tinfoil and ice, it condenses, which means it turns into a cloud. That is why one of its name is Cloud in a Jar project. And then you can stick your hand in and feel like kind of what a cloud would be made out of. And the last step of the water cycle is precipitation. That's what all these little water dots are.